Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. I am in my Disneyland album today. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing, but we'll figure that out. So, let's see what I can do. Guys, this might be one of the quickest videos ever, but the page is complete and that is all that matters. So, if you watched my planning out my Disneyland album, you saw that I added in some pocket pages, some faux pocket pages, which turned into a 2-page layout instead. But this pocket page needed something here in the center. I have the Disneyland Resort sign and then also the Main Street train station. So I figured I needed something colorful and fun to put in that center pocket. And this is what I came up with. So I have pretty much cleaned up the room and put things away from retreat. I have a huge stack of paper that I've collected from the room and from retreat that I need to go through and figure out what is staying in the never-ending kit and what is getting put away. But besides that, I am happy with what's going on here. So I decided to use these little rhinestone squares that I pilfered from Amber at retreat. She brought some things that was like, here, if you want them, take them, because I've either used them already or I'm just not going to use them. And these are one of those things where I was like, oh yeah, these make me happy. So I am going to layer up this fake doily, and I say fake doily because it is a hard paper doily from 49 and Market. I've got the camera over there, the little arrow that says wow, and I knew I was going to put a word down, and I wasn't exactly sure what. At first I thought I was going to have like wow, the click from the camera sticker sheet, and wishes, and kind of just decorate with a bunch of words. However, I decided to decorate more with icons than actual words. I'm going to go through my stickers. I'm going to try to figure out something else that I can put on here so that my title just isn't wow. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I felt like I need a little bit more text on here. Tried out these really old 7 paper by Studio Calico chipboard stickers. They did not work. These are from 2015, so like I said, old. I'm pretty sure that I heard Studio Calico was going out, I feel like. I don't remember. But anyway, I ended up getting into these Simple Stories stickers and putting some hearts down, and then also a little word phrase that said our happy place. But I took off the word our and just put happy place. I'm going to layer that up over top of the arrow, and then this bad boy is going into its page protector, and there is another page done in my Disneyland album. 5 cents in the dun jar. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again really soon for another video.